Hey, what's up, guys? So, got my boy Spikes. I call him Spikes, name Elite. He got a suit buddy. Want to do on a Hayabusa CBR 1000rr. So, we got some pretty fast bikes out here today. So, we actually about to head up to some back road. That back road I took when I went with the guy riding, the professional rider, former professional rider. So, we about to go ride that route. I don't really know it by heart, so we gonna try to make it do what it do. But yeah, man, so this should be a fun little ride. You know, a few fast bikes for sure. So we go head out and see what's popping. Woo, CBR clean, baby, clean. Now I'm talking about your bike. You can say what's up to YouTube. Yeah, guy over here to my right, CBR, said he used to be a professional rider and whatnot. So this should be fun. I don't have my gear on today because I was gonna take it pretty easy. All right, guys, we just gassed up, about to head out. Yes, sir. Really, bro, the fucking town sheriff, G? How we get stuck behind the town sheriff, bro? Alright, guys, I forgot to record any of the riding I did, man. Like, when I get out here and start riding, I just be enjoying the ride. I don't be thinking about recording, you know, so my bad. But anyway, we just finished up, hit some back roads. It's kind of running out of daylight, so we're going to take the interstate back just to get home a little quicker, you know. I got a dark tinted shield visor and the other guy has a mirror tinted shield visor, so kind of makes it hard to see at nighttime, if you didn't know. I'm getting more comfortable with the route, you know, knowing it and all that. I actually remember how to get there on my own right then, so I was kind of surprised that I remembered, but oh, come on, baby. Okay, we gotta run over that. Yeah, good shit. We gonna do it again. Do it again. All right, like, I went to shift, it didn't do. I shift, but ready? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Damn! CBR fast as fuck! I'm getting spanked by CBR. Now granted, I'm 290 pounds. I'm 290 pounds and he probably about 100 or something. About 150, 180. So yeah, but that was fun though. Damn, he was spanking me. I lost on the GBR. I lost on the GBR. Oh, that's funny as shit. I don't know why. I might need to go get my adaptions reset, like my man Jet Quick said. So when I'm hopping my RPMs, okay. when I'm high up in my RPMs, the quick shifter does not work. So I'm not sure if it showed that. So in third gear, oh, he trying to do wheelies. So in third gear, when I get to like 14 RPMs, oh, there you go, trying to get the front wheel up. When I get to like 1400 RPMs, like the quick shifter doesn't work anymore. So like that happened to me twice right when I was getting in it. But yeah, maybe I need to get the adaptions reset, man. I'll take it into the shop because I'm gonna take it anyway to get the new chain and sprockets put on. So I'm gonna tell him about that issue. Yeah, there you go, Spike. That CBR clean. He said it's stock. I don't know if he said it's stocked or what, but it's fast as hell though. If you don't know, motorcycling, man, is weight is everything. So like I'm a heavy guy. I'm 300 pounds on this bike, almost 300. I'm pretty sure if we swapped, he would probably take off on me on this BMW. He would probably leave me. So definitely don't think it's the bike. I think it's the rider and the and his bike's pretty fast, to be honest with you. So yeah, but you can tell he kind of ride. Oh yeah. Look at this thing. That is cool. She riding no doors on the Jeep. No shoes on either. I wish it wasn't so much traffic. I'll get down and go on this thing. I don't want to be by this big ass truck though either. Hell no. Fun ride. Like I said, I didn't record much. Yeah, definitely still getting used to the bike. I definitely want more power now, I can tell you that. But I gotta get the thing figured out. I gotta get it figured out why it's not shifting with the quick shifter. And it's not just at that third gear. It's actually been doing that. It used to only do it in fifth gear, right? But now it's doing it nice Harley right there. Now it's doing it in third. It wouldn't even get a third, and it's only like when I'm high up in RPMs, like around 13, 14. So I did read in the manual that it doesn't like to shift with the quick shift to high in RPMs. But man, with all the videos I see online, bro, like the racing videos, now I know those guys have different setups, but those guys be shifting it like 15 grand, man, like redlining. So I don't know why mine doesn't, the quick shifter doesn't work high in RPMs like that. So I don't know. I'm not sure if I caught that on camera either, but yeah, it happened to me both times. We was racing, I had to let out and let the RPMs drop back down, and then when I kicked it up, it finally worked. But like, it does not like to go high in the RPMs, man. But anyway, man, that's all I got. We took an L. That was really my first time racing somebody actually too. But yeah, anyway, we'll catch y'all next day. Peace.